Hi, I'm Stephanie.
And I'm Zach.
And we're the Harrisons with Glamp Haven.
Yay!
Yay! So today we're really excited to introduce Carl to you guys. He's a 29-foot Autumn Ridge.
Yep. He weighs about 5,000 pounds. Super easy to pull around.
Depending on how much you put in it. So like between 5 and 6. What kind of vehicle do you think it's necessary to like?
I would say anywhere from a half-ton truck upwards of that. So you don't need a Super Duty or a super large, a 450 or anything like that to pull it. Just something that's 150 and above is really good and pulls it really nice.
Yeah.